Okay, our third question, question 3b, is looking at the Earth's early atmosphere. And again, it says describe and explain. So describe is say what you see, and explain is why those features are observed. Okay, so we can obviously see that in the start, most of the atmosphere was carbon dioxide and water vapor. At the end, there's a wide variety of gases. There's land mass. Okay, at the start, there's volcanoes. At the end, there's less volcanoes. Okay, so my describe section is that there's oxygen that is increasing from the start to the end, carbon dioxide that's decreasing from the start to the end, and nitrogen that is increasing from the start to the end. We also can see that the number of volcanoes is changing. Okay, an explanation as to why we see these features is from an evolutionary perspective. Algae were formed. Those algae photosynthesize. The equation there shows you the equation for photosynthesis, which uses up carbon dioxide and generates oxygen. So that is both why the oxygen increases and a partial reason for why the carbon dioxide decreases. There is another reason why the carbon dioxide decreases. It's because some of the volcanoes have been converted into landmass. Okay, that requires energy, and you know from physics that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It's only transformed from one form to another. So as a result of that creating landmass, the temperature is decreasing. As the temperature decreases, the oceans start to form, and the carbon dioxide is going to be dissolved in the oceans, and it's also going to be locked up in the rock. So carbon dioxide can react with, for example, calcium oxide to form calcium carbonate, which is limestone. So the carbon dioxide is decreasing because it's going to be stuck in sedimentary rocks like limestone, and because it's being dissolved in the oceans. Nitrogen is increasing because, from an evolutionary perspective, bacteria have evolved. Those bacteria need to be able to respire. There's no oxygen source initially, so they have to split ammonia, which produces nitrogen as a net result.